So hey YouTube, your girl Marcy to be here back with a super quick 1 week update on the Outre deep wave loop hair that I installed last weekend. Now, this is just a quick update for all the 411 on this hair. Click the link in the description box for my 411 install video. So, for week number 2, I wanted to do something a little different with this hair, but I didn't want to cut it because I really like the length. So I just decided to separate the strands even more than I had before and make this style really super big and super full. Big hair, don't care. And as you can see, it looks really good. Separated, still low to no frizz, and this hair has been really easy to maintain. Just been wearing my bonnet at night and freshening it up with a little braid spray in the morning. Outre, y'all did the daggone thing with this hair. This hair is super fast to install, slow maintenance. It's priced economically. This hair is slave-worthy crochet braids. And I'm giving it Marcita B's stamp of approval. That will do it for this 1 week update, because I would just continue having more good things to say. And that would be redundant. So YouTube, I am up out of here. Questions, comments, you know what to do. Post those below. We'll get right back at you. I'm gone right now, YouTube. I'll be back with a new video in a couple of days, so check back for that. Until then, you know what I always say. Be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.